Terrence Williams. I am a self-taught sewer and designer and small business owner, and in today's video I thought it would be fun to do a little sew along with me. So I found these really cool looking jeans on Pinterest. If I can insert a picture, I will. And I have recreated them once before. I'll show you. Ooh. So these have like a tulle embroidered bottom, and I had a lot of fun making them. So I found another pair that I really liked, and it's this fringe at the bottom, so I'm gonna recreate those, but in my own little way. So again, I just thought it would be fun for y'all to follow along. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what you would like to see more of. Okay, so I have my jeans. I just got these from H&M, I believe, when they were on super sale, so I only paid a few dollars for them. And that's preferable. If you can thrift or find a really good cheap pair of jeans that fit, that you actually like, that is recommended. So I also got this fringe from Joann Fabrics. I just got a yard of it, which is more than enough. I'm probably gonna use the extra fringe in a different project. So in the pictures that I saw online, they like cuff the jeans and then add the fringe or fabric, but I'm not really sure I want to do that. These are ankle length, so they're already short enough as it is, and I like it when the fringe or the fabric hangs over my boot. So I'm trying to decide if I want to add the fringe right above the bottom, which would make it easier for sewing, or if I want to add it right on the bottom, which when it comes to sewing would be a little more difficult. So I think I'm gonna go right above this bottom seam, and I'm gonna start it on the side. That way everything kind of lines up like seams with seams. I'm gonna go a little over just for some seam allowance, and then I'm just gonna pin all the way around. The fringe all pinned, and now I'm just gonna go and I'm going to sew it into place. This is seems like a super simple, easy way to upcycle your clothing, your jeans in particular. So we really love super simple and super easy. Here we are at my sewing machine. I have a Bernina 830. The wonderful staff at Stitch House, Texas gifted me this beautiful machine. I will link all of their information below. They have sewing machines, quilting classes, fabric, staff that is so informative and nice. It was an amazing experience when I went up to visit them a few months ago. And again, I just want to thank Stitch House, Texas again for this machine and my serger. I really appreciate it. But now that I'm at my sewing machine and I have everything ready, I'm just going to stitch everything into place. is it, y'all. These are the jeans. A really quick and simple way to spruce up a pair of old denim or cheap denim. If you don't have a sewing machine or you're not good at sewing, you can use fabric glue. There are a bunch of different ways. Again, I made these fringe bottoms, but I also made these fabric bottom ones here. So there's lots of different ways that you can spruce up and upcycle denim that you're not really wearing or denim that you want to wear but need a little more inspiration. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little sew along. Again, let me know in the comment section down below what more you are interested in seeing. I'm definitely going to go more in depth with my brand and design concepts, upcoming collections, how I source my fabric, all of that information. So I can definitely do videos on that. I also really want to do a video on why I left Etsy as a selling platform. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comment section down below. But that's it for me today. So I'll see y'all in the next video.